Please excuse the fact that I don't have any makeup on, but I'm with John and my mom. We came to JCPenney. We're sitting on some ugly chairs. We're looking at curtains for the living room. Quick what's in my bag. I have my phone, thing for water, my car keys, and a fork. And my wallet because I'm gonna get food later. And also I broke my nail. Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna vlog today. It is currently 12 o'clock already. I woke up at like 11 something. But yeah, I kind of look a little bit crazy because I just woke up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna vlog today. I'm not doing much. I don't have really any plans. Alright guys, I just finished cleaning my room. I was gonna film today, but it's already 3. It's almost 3. And the sun goes down at like 4:30. And by the time I take a shower and get ready and plan out even what I want to film, it's gonna be too late. You guys can see my tripod. You guys, look at where my TV is set up right now. All that is disgusting. I don't like all those cables showing. That's a speaker, and then I have my TV on there, like a little TV stand, but I want to hang my TV. Okay, so my coworker ended up getting me a lot of little, well, like 4 of like these pink body mist, and now I'm like paranoid that I stink. You guys, I'm doing it. I go back to work tomorrow, so I have to cut my nails off, and I'm so sad. Look at how nice they were. And then I already cut this hand off. No, you guys, I feel like a little boy. I have one of these. You guys can buy these at Walmart, and these are made for acrylic nails. So yeah, you kind of just put your finger in there, through there, and then it cuts it off. Good morning, guys. So I'm getting ready for work. Yes, yes. It's chilly outside, so I'm wearing like a thin little thing. Obviously my uniform, jeans. I'm gonna put my socks on right now, but I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys before I head out for work. I'm gonna turn my car on so it starts warming up right now. Okay, now I need to grab my phone. I am running a little bit late, I'm not gonna lie. It's 9:11. I'm supposed to go in at 9:30, but my manager texted me and asked me if I could pick up some stuff from another store, so I have to go stop by another store and then go to my store.
José los tiene.
No. ¿Todas mis llaves? La gris sí, la del carro gris sí. Pero todas mis llaves.
You guys, I totally forgot to let you guys know, but we had to call the sheriffs today at work. I work at Subway. We had to call the sheriffs because a guy stole a cup and filled it up with soda. You guys, the soda was less than $3. Yet we had to call the sheriffs, and they asked my coworker if she wanted to press charges. My coworker had told the guy, hey, we caught you on camera taking the cup and filling it up, and he was denying it and saying, well, if you guys caught me on camera, then show me it. And obviously the cameras are in their back, like in the back of the store. We're not gonna bring some random guy to the back of the store. You guys, I've been addicted to watching like school lunches, like little kids school lunches. I don't know what it is. I'm watching a whole playlist right now, and this one is Bella Boo's lunches. I'm not subscribed because I just found her and I've been like binge watching all the videos. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start showing you guys what I take for lunch. I don't know, I think it'd be interesting, I guess. Hey guys, so I already started taking off my makeup. Yeah, so excuse this eye, but this is the makeup that I did today. I didn't really vlog at all today. It just really wasn't in the mood, but let me show you these pinatas that my mom got me. I started working out yesterday and I'm so sore. Okay, but anyways, let me show you guys these pinatas that my mom bought me. They're so cute. They were $3.99, and then she also got me this one. They just hang from this little plastic thing if you guys don't know how pinatas work.